National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkes County in east central Georgia, Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, central Madison County in northeastern Georgia, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Danielsville to Woodville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Acted include Delhi, Smithonia, Hutchings, Lexington, Maxey's, Newtown, Fishing Creek Public Hunting Area, Danburg, Vesta, Carlton, Point Peter, Jackson's Crossroads, Malory'sville, Norman, Danielsville, Stevens, Comer, Floral Hill, Colbert, and Powley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.